Hey everyone, this is Asjad from Auto Cornered. Have you ever replaced your fuel pump only to have your car start acting up afterwards? Don't fret out. In this video, I'll go over the most common problems that can happen after changing your fuel pump, along with tips on how to avoid or fix them. One major issue you might face is electrical problems with the new pump, and the culprit is usually a loose wire or bad fuse connection. See, the pump needs a solid 12 supply to run smoothly, so take an extra minute when installing to wiggle wires and double check for corrosion. Snug down connections and swap in a fresh fuse just to be safe. Next up, the dreaded tank debris. Fuel pumps are delicate machines with tight clearances, so dirt and gunk are their mortal enemy. When you pull the old pump assembly out, all kinds of crud trapped on the bottom gets stirred up, and it can clog a brand new pump quick. Take time to clean the tank and flush debris before installing the replacement. Then add some fresh, high-quality gasoline to get things flowing smoothly. While you're in there, replace the fuel filter too. It's cheap insurance against contaminants entering the system. A restricted filter from years of buildup forces the pump to work overtime. And after replacement, any loose sediment could overwhelm a new filter fast. You might also hear a loud whining noise, even with a brand new pump. This is typically caused by contaminated or low fuel levels. Make sure to fill up with fresh, high-quality gas after the install, and never let it get below 1/4 tank, which can overwork and damage the pump. Another frustrating issue is fuel leaks and pressure problems after the install. Leaky lines or loose fittings starve the system of pressure. Carefully inspect all connections and change any hoses that are cracked or spongy. And don't forget new gaskets and proper torque on fittings. Finally, inaccurate fuel gauge readings drive owners crazy. The cause is often a damaged float arm. Removing the old pump assembly takes fines to avoid bending it, and installing the new one must position the float at the exact original angle. Even a few degrees off can give false readings. Alright, that covers the major problems I see after fuel pump replacement and how to avoid them. Now, if you want even more details on these problems, along with step-by-step troubleshooting tips, check out my full article linked down in the video description for you. I hope these quick tips help you avoid headaches and get your car running great again. Let me know if you have any other questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Auto Cornered for more auto repair videos. Thanks for watching.